What's up everybody, Jake Berkey here, and I cannot wait to show you our newest build. This buggy is for a guy named Chris. He's a local guy and he's had all sorts of different buggies. He's had the good ones, he's had the bad ones, he's had the ones in between. And after all that, it was really awesome for him to choose this as his forever buggy. This buggy has a 416 stroker in it, which is awesome. It's a great package because it's a lightweight engine, makes tons of horsepower. It's got the TH400 made from Maximum Transmissions, an Atlas Pro. We've got 1410 drive shafts in this thing, heavy duty kits all the way throughout, 40 spline, 14 bolt in the front. It's got the big 1550 joints and all that stuff. We've got Radflow shocks up here. We've got the big tubes and the 3-tube bypasses for that really plush ride. The rock rings on this thing are bringing back the past. I love these rock rings because whenever I started four-wheeling, this was the coolest thing out, and I'm telling you, they look sweet on this buggy. We've got doors on this buggy. You can click right here, open it up, fat boy friendly, get inside. We've got the PRP seats with the Busted Knuckle logo sitting right here, and the interior is decked out with all sorts of goodies. As always, back here in the back, we've got the cargo area right here so you can put all your stuff. We've got the LED lights that are hologram, and down here at the bottom, we've got our really cool heavy-duty Busted Knuckle off-road diff covers, and we've even got the Busted Knuckle logo painted right here for them. So button number 2 right here turns on the rock lights, which is a really cool addition for this buggy. But button number 3 you hit, and right here, we got the heated seats going on, so you can keep the passengers nice and warm on those cold wheeling days. So a lot of people are always weirded out about rock bouncers with doors, but let me show you something. These doors, they close easy and they're really solid. One more thing on this buggy that is super sweet is our billet aluminum 7075 high steer arms. They're keyed across the top. They've got 6 grade 9 bolts, and we also have the ultra lightweight brakes, which frees up a bunch of horsepower. And the best part about this build overall is that we finished it a month early.